I see your house. I think this dude can take me places.
Yeah, maybe. Something like that. The car got away from me!
What's your angle, Mike?
What do you mean? Like, how am I gonna beat your ass in this race? Don't worry, I'm taking care of that.
I mean, is it just the smell of green? Or is there some other thing with this guy and you? You know, feels funky.
Hey, I'm just trying to do what's best for Frank. You know, help him make the best of the chances he's given.
Hey, if it's about the girl, I saw her first.
Don't get too creepy, alright? She's a professional woman who's doing a job. And leave it at that.
No sexual harassment in the workplace, G. Not on my watch. I'm serious. Both of you. Back off her.
इशारा लगा हुआ है चलो हम तो इस कानून को नहीं करते फॉलो तुम लोग क्यों हो गए
Hey, your car's still all right, right?
Good to see you taking this seriously, Frank. Good management.
If I'm finna do this, I'm finna do it right. So, how your car, Mike?
Haha, my car is fine.
यार कितना रास्ता बाकी है हाँ इंशाल्लाह बस पहुंचने
I'm in
वाला
charge of this shit, and I will dock your pay. The stickers on the seats were here when I got in. Oh, come on, T-Man, please.
लोग भी पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं चलो ग्राफिक ठीक भी हो जाए हाँ पहुंचने वाले हम लोग पहुंच गए फाइनली अभी तो वास करा दो
Gentlemen, I love you all. Oh God, this is gonna be fantastic. One kid and two old creeps. Who the fuck would have thought it?
Gentlemen, move the vehicles.
Hey,